Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to start a business on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, you have to create an Shopify account. So open shopify.com, and now you have to enter here your email address, and now click on 14-day free trial and give here your login password. And here we can see the website name. To change the name, click on edit, and from here you can easily change the store or website name. And if it's available, click on creative store. And now fill up these three options and click on next, and fill up this address book and click on enter my store. So as you can see, I successfully created an account on Shopify, and it's a 14-day free trial. And to upgrade your Shopify account, you can click on the select plan option, and from here you can select any plan according to your requirements. Then go to home. Now you need to connect a domain to your website to start your business. So if you have a domain, then you can click on add domain option to connect your domain, and you can set up your payments option from here. Also you can set up shipping rates from here. And to start a business, obviously you need to upload your product on Shopify Store or website. So for that, go to products and click on add product. Give here your product title and give here product description, and scroll down. Here you have to add your product file, so click on it. For example, I'm going to uploading some dummy images, and scroll down and add here your product price. And if your product has any discount, then you can add here the discount rate. You can turn on charge tax on this product and enter here the cost per item. Enter the SKU number and barcode. I'm going to checking this option, continue selling when out of stock. And if this is a physical product, then you must have to check this option. Or if you're selling ebook or music, then you have to uncheck this option. And you can add here the weight of your product. And if your product has options like color or size, then you can turn this option and select the option name. You can select size, color, style, material, and give here the option value. And click on done. And you can add different price for each variant, and scroll up. Product status, click here and select active, and enter here your product type. Enter the product vendor here, and you can select collections. And now enter here your product tag, and then click on save. Okay, I have successfully created a Shopify account, and then I have successfully added a product to start my business on Shopify. And now let's see how to customize the website and how to see the website. So click on online store, and to see your store, click on view store, So here you can see I've successfully created a Shopify website to start my business, and here you can see the product I just uploaded to my store. And now anyone easily can purchase this product from my store. And to change the website theme, you can visit free theme store by clicking here, or you can see their premium theme by clicking here. And to customize your web store or website, go to customize, and you will be able to customize your website according to all the requirements. So this was how we can start a business on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.